All right, guys, we are live. This is one of our patients here. He had multiple treatments, including a bunch of surgical treatments, laser, and microneedling. Can you tell us a little about what treatments you had?
Yeah, it was a total 12-hour procedure. There were my upper eyes were surgically done, called a bleph, and the lower eye as well, and then an entire rhinoplasty, which was a 7-hour surgery to adjust some things in my nose. And then there was a series of 4 different lasers. So the total procedure, I was under anesthesia for 12 hours, and so it was pretty involved surgery.
And to prepare for this procedure, he did take some precautions. He did undergo a Cosmelon peel, which did great wonders for his skin. We already saw massive improvements after that. And can you tell us how long ago your surgery was?
Yeah, surgery was exactly 7 days ago from today. It was last Wednesday, so today's Wednesday. It was 7 days ago. And this picture here that's under me is 2 days after the surgery. So that's what I looked like then.
So 5 days ago. This was 5 days ago. This is now.
This is today.
Look at his skin.
Yeah.
His skin is much better. We've seen great results.
I used to have brown spots all over my skin. They're gone. The Cosmelon started that. The laser followed up with it. You can see that within just like 2 days after surgery, the skin had begun to peel, and it was molting. My lizard skin was coming off.
Go here.
And within by 5 days past, the skin was completely pink again. Brown spots are totally gone. Surgery was interesting. I was 4 days I was down resting, recuperating. By the 5th day, I was back at my office working full time.
Can you look over here? Talk to the camera.
Sorry.
All right, so we have some people asking, what is your post-procedure care like? What has your post-care been like?
Well, it's a series of things for my skin. There's a whole collection of Emer products that are hydrating. The principle is to hydrate and keep me, from cracking and letting the skin peel off. As far as the surgical parts of it, there isn't really much post. You just have to kind of suffer with a little bit of a healing. With the rhinoplasty, your nose is packed with a plastic silicone type packing that keeps the nostrils, spread. And none of it is painful. I literally had no pain on any of this. Probably the Cosmelon was more troublesome from pain than any of the surgery. There's literally no pain. There's discomfort because everything's healing and the nose is packed and you can't really breathe very well, but that's just discomfort. It's not really painful.
So let's see you before. We'll show you what you look like right after surgery. Let me grab the iPad. I'll have my assistant unlock that. And let's see, we gotta ask him. What is your reasons for this treatment? What are your concerns?
Well, there were some things for the facial plastic surgery, some things that I wanted repaired. There were some, my nose had some, it had a bump in the middle, and there was a, kind of the end of the nose was bulbed in a way I didn't like. It wasn't attractive. It was a bad proportion. And my eyes had, by a certain age, so I'm in my 60s, and so they had the eyes got puffy, and so I wanted all that gone. So there was quite a bit of skin above the eye removed and below the eye. We actually broadcast the surgery, and I've seen recorded copies of it, and you can see how much skin was removed. It was a tremendous amount, about 1 centimeter on top and 1 centimeter on bottom. And so a lot of skin is removed. So now my eyes have a much younger appearance, more like when I was in my 40s or that. So that's a dramatic improvement, and I'm really impressed with that. That worked out.
People remember you from our lives before. And for those of you asking about his treatments, we do have his lives for all his facial treatments posted on our IGTV. Go look at those. They're amazing. Some people say, I remember him, show his befores. We have this right here. We will have a full patient story, full BAs. We took a lot of photos of him.
So, for any of you in my age bracket, you'll find that if you're actively in the world, you get marginalized if your age and appearance is too far out there. And I didn't want that marginalization. And so for me, this is a way to sort of bring things back. I'm involved with technology companies. I own 2 of them and working on some new things. And so I don't want to be marginalized from the universe by my appearance. And so huge improvement was made now. There's a follow-up surgery coming, and some more laser treatments and other things that Dr. Emer's going to do. But I'm delighted with the results so far.
And what made you choose Dr. Emer for this?
Well, I've known Dr. Emer by reputation for a long time, and I own a software company that's in the medical space, and so I know many people who know him, and his credentials are second to none. And Dr. Jacob Sedge did the facial plastic surgery, the nose job, and the eye work. Same situation, tremendous by reputation. These are very, very skilled people, artistic people. And what I wanted was somebody that I knew would be able to judge the difference between, I wanted a result that was natural and not, it appeared like surgically something was done. I didn't want that, I wanted it natural. So now it's only a couple of days after the surgery and I'm obviously still puffy, but when the puffiness goes away, I can already extrapolate to the point that it will look very natural. It's different, but it will look natural, and that's what I wanted.
And now people ask me how long ago your treatment was. His treatment was 7 days ago. Yeah. This is 7 days after his surgery. He looks great.
Yeah, I'm out and about in the world. I went to a restaurant last night and one today for lunch, and nobody notices anything. Literally, if you can go from that much surgery to sitting in a restaurant, even at the 5th day I was out at restaurants and nobody noticed a thing. So that's pretty good.
Let's see if we have anything else.
Technology is remarkable, I will say.
Do you have any comments about your surgeries? Anything else you'd like our viewers to know?
If you've got something you want fixed, do it.
This is the place to do it. If you have any concerns, and if you want to know if we can do something, if it's able to be done, any kind of procedure questions, make sure to leave us a DM. We're happy to talk to you. You can reach us, appointments at Jason Emer MD. We do virtual consulting if you're far away, or you can come see us in the office. We're here in West Hollywood, California. Tell him he's a beautiful human. Let's read off some of the compliments. That's what someone's saying right here
really?
for you.
That's amazing.
That's what I'm getting.
How would you know that?
What did he get fixed? People asking what you got done. There's a lot of new viewers.
What did I not get done? Eyes, nose, face, skin, everything was done.
Everything.
Yes,
He's
my
done
head was peeled back and it was all fixed and put back.
He's done the works. He's gotten it all done
and
here.
There's more coming. Yep.
All right. Thank you for tuning in. And we'll see you guys later. Make sure you stay tuned for our updates on our page.
Thanks for watching. Great. Is that okay?